you discussing here?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
We are doing conversation here.
Are you doing conversation in Hindi or English?
We are doing conversation in English because we made to teach to speak English.
Which topic is going on?
We are two strangers meeting in a train.
Okay, start your conversation.
Excuse me, may I know your name, please?
Yes, why not? I am Nidhi Sharma.
Where are you going?
I am going to Patna. What about you?
I am going to Gaya.
What do you do in Gaya?
I study in Gaya. I prepare general competition. Why are you going Patna?
I am going to Patna to visit Bodh Gaya.
Oh wow, that's great. Are you going alone?
No, I am going with my friends. They are sitting in another bogie. Where do you live in Gaya?
I live at the station road in a girls' hostel.
The train is arriving in Patna.
Okay, bye. See you later.
Okay, bye.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you as well. Please like, share and subscribe our branch of school channel.